Alright, guys.
I
We're
got
gonna
it.
light some fireworks. Put it up in the air.
Woo! No. That's not supposed to happen.
That backfired.
Backfired. Who threw that? Who threw that firecracker?
Did you guys see this?
Wait.
You just scared me. That fire. Who threw the firecracker?
That sounded like a gunshot. The pop, pop, pop.
I was running back. I was recording. I was doing this. That was awesome.
Oh, he's doing it.
Watch out.
Oh! Oh, shit. Oh my God! Oh! Shit!
I like the firecracker better. Come on. Jesus, look at the smoke. I gotta do investigating. I have to do it.
I'm busy here.
Do it again.
My dad just. Hey guys, it's like busy.
And
my dad just said-
Glizzy Killer 80 here.
Hey bro, we're talking.
I got a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, and my dad.
And my friend Lou and Nancy show you out the camera.
Yeah, my friend Nancy. And my dad just set it off fireworks. The one in the Batman shirt. What's this? The guy in the Batman shirt talking to the. And there goes Hamoud's cowardly sister. There goes Hamoud's cowardly sister. Ow!